Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how to secure sign into Windows on an Azure Virtual Desktop session host using convenient Rublon multi-factor authentication with mobile push. In this user-friendly authentication method, Rublon MFA sends a push notification to your phone. A single tap is all you need to approve or deny a login request. The push notification includes information like application name, username, IP address, location, date, and time, which helps ensure that the authentication request comes from you. I open the Azure Virtual Desktop client, select my assigned desktop or app, and sign into Windows with my username and password. Now Rublon MFA sends a push notification to my phone. I review the details in the push notification and tap Approve. Once approved, I securely access Windows on the Azure Virtual Desktop session host. Rublon MFA supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, phone call and SMS, email, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enables secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon multi-factor authentication.